Hi guys! So today we're gonna add some clips so you can see while we were shopping for our noodles. I have the really spicy one,
The hot chicken one.
the hot chicken one, and then which one do you have?
It was like udon noodles flavored with umami. I don't know. I've never tried them, but they sounded good.
This is my first time.
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
We're in a different setup today because we cooked a bunch of stuff and we wanted you guys to see it. So.
And more, and my brother closed the door and he's like, call 911. And so like my brother was like, I'm calling the police right now. And the guy starts running and I'm like freaking out, dude, and I'm like shaking. And I call 911 and they're like, hello, what's your emergency today?
I can't.
And I'm like,
Where's the side of your emergency?
right
Don't you just want to scream every time? No, my favorite is the time that Amara and I are on the highway and this guy is flashing us and I call 911 and she's like, 911, can you hold?
Dude, that's... Oh, no wonder. I'm like, what happened?
Bro, why are you making this difficult?
Like, someone's gonna crash in his ass right there. Oh, that's rice. Oh, oh no, this is chicken flavor. Instant.
They have all different flavors.
Oh, yeah.
I've never had them.
It's ice cream?
Yeah.
Now I want to try the mochi. What flavor is that?
That's red bean. I don't know what that tastes like.
Eh.
There's strawberry.
Here, show it to the camera.
Okay, so here's the wall of
How many noodles here? We need to get those extra spicy ones. Which one should we get?
Okay, so I already had. Oh, what's that? Oh, I thought it was.
Guys, so we just came out of this Bangkok grocery store. I don't know how you say it. How do you say it?
Bangkok.
Bangkok. And we got some chips. They are potato sticks and hot chili. And then I got some candy. So cute. Look at
I
that.
didn't know you got both of those.
And then we got some, where's yours? We got some noodles, the hot sauce one.
I
You got
these.
those?
They're like umami flavored, so we'll see how that goes. And then
Oh,
we
yeah.
got mochi, which we've never tried before, so we're really excited.
And it's the strawberry one.
Yeah.
And then she got the orange one, but I got the strawberry one. And here they are. And look, they have that cute little detail in the top. Isn't that so cute?
And this one, I don't know if that one does, but it's got like pieces
Oh, yeah.
of it in there.
Yeah, it does. Like cocoa and strawberry. Cocoa.
And then I got the same hot chicken ones. It says ice type, so we don't know what that means. We'll find out.
No, I never been there. Wow.
Sir.
Chill.
Ugh.
Calm yourself down.
Calm a titty and chill.
Right? I'm wearing the LA foundation today, the full coverage, the one that's only $7. And look how bomb it looks. You just gotta blend that out.
I, of course, am wearing like 3 different foundations.
So this is our first, well, this is my first time trying the noodles. So let's see how it goes.
All right, you
Okay.
ready?
Yeah,
I'm excited.
I am too. Oh my gosh, they're so hot. Mwah. They're so hot. like sweet and hot, but as soon as you're like done, it's like super hot. How was yours?
Really good.
Are they hot?
No, but I almost choked myself. But I heard the other day that I think it's like a Korean thing where, don't quote me on that. So if you eat the whole noodle, like slurp it up without biting it, you'll have like, it's supposed to be like long life. But if you bite it, it's kind of like you're cutting your life short.
Really?
Yeah, isn't that funny?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try my little drink.
These are so hot, and you need to try them.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's so good. Look how cute they are.
These are from Thailand, guys. That's what it says on the thing. Different. I can't wait for this. I'm so excited. Just a little bit, though.
No.
Oh.
No, not a little bit.
Alright. These aren't very long, so I don't have to worry about
Okay, wait, give me a
chomping
second.
my life in half.
Okay. Oh, these are so good.
Ugh, hot. You were right.
They're really hot, and I love hot stuff.
I feel like we just did the hot noodle challenge. Dude, we gotta go back and get the 2 times hotter ones. Guys,
Yes.
it's in some of the clips, but we saw some noodles that were 2 times hotter, and they had like the funny chicken on the front of it.
It's so cute.
We're gonna go back and get those, and we'll do it again for you.
Yes, yes.
We'll do the hot noodle challenge.
These are so good. I love these.
I really like these too.
I need to go get some of these because they are so
I
good.
know. Like, I want to go back and get more. They're really good. The sauce is really
should.
good.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Makes my nose run.
But did
It's
you
really
like them? Yeah.
Okay.
So good.
Now, we have dessert, which we're really excited about.
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. We got mochi.
We're so excited. They're the strawberry ones. So
And neither one of us have ever had these, so.
this is my first time seeing them.
Yeah.
She peeked on
I
the box.
peeked inside, but I was like, don't look.
Okay.
Because
Gonna close my eyes.
look how
and
they're
just, like,
packaged.
let me have one here.
Hold on, but look at the packaging.
Oh,
Okay.
it's so cute. Okay.
Close your eyes. Hold your hands up.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute! I want to see it.
Look at it.
This is so cute.
I can't wait.
Doesn't smell like nothing.
I hope we weren't supposed to let them thaw, because I can't wait. Ready?
Do we just bite it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that looks kind of hot.
Bite into it like that.
It's so good. Oh my
It's
gosh.
like super strawberry.
Guys, this is so good.
Oh, oops.
Look at that.
I'm still sniffling from those noodles.
They were so hot. I can't wait for her to try the 2 times extra hot.
I'm excited about it.
Super good.
So guys, that was our little, excursion for the day. A little noodle try video for you. Like we said, next time we'll do the 2 times hotter.
2 times hotter noodles.
I couldn't imagine because my lips are on fire.
My throat's on fire and I love hot stuff. So if you like this video, remember to like us, to follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, to keep up with us. So see you till next time.
Bye. Oh.
No. Tammy, no. Do you think we're going to be able to record? Yeah. No, stop. No, Hamilton, no. Let me get... No. Hold on. Oh, there he comes. Hamilton, no. Let me get his remote control. This is a close up right now. Wallace? do you think he's saying?